Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and students, and welcome back after your long weekend. So today is Tuesday, February 19th of 2019. I hope you had a great time. I hope that Friday and Monday worked out well for you and you got some extra sleep. For our morning announcements for today, we have our February birthdays to announce. So happy birthday to Tyler C., Haley W., Parker and Noel Lyons, and also Naomi Reyes. Happy birthday to all of you. So we had quite a few birthdays over the weekend here. Students, just a reminder, our MIC Teacher Night is now rescheduled to tomorrow, which is February 20th. Also, if you did the World's Finest Chocolate fundraiser, all the money for that is due tomorrow too. So please make sure you bring that in. For our lunch choices for today, we have hot dog, beef nachos, or sun butter apple wrap, which sounds kind of good actually. So if I was getting lunch today, I might choose that one. And for our Paws, we have our second graders here to talk about Paws and our pledge.
All right, it is time for our pause, and we have three students here from second grade to describe what they thought was important with pause for today.
Keep your hands to yourself. Don't talk back to people. Use your materials properly.
Those are great suggestions. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much. And at this time, let's take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing and your hand is over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much. And boys and girls and teachers and staff, let's have a great day today. Let's make some great choices, and let's have a wonderful Tuesday.